Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to download invoice from the Flipkart orders. Okay, that is orders made through Flipkart. You can just download invoice. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, you have to open your Flipkart order account. Okay, this is the account that I have now opened, and click on account here and go to orders. Here you can see list of orders, what are all the orders that you have already made using your Flipkart account, that will be shown here. And just if you would like to get invoice for particular order, go to the particular order. Okay, for example here I would like to go this order, and yes, even if you got refunded, yes, you can still download the invoice. Okay, so what you have to do, just go to particular order here, then go to price details, click on this price details so that you can get download invoice button. Just click on that so that it will be downloaded, and a notification will be shown here. Yes, click on the notification and you can open it with PDF reader or drive. Yes, this is the invoice. Okay, so in this way you can easily download invoice for particular order, whether it is delivered successfully or if you have got refunded, whatever maybe, just you can get invoice, that is the bill of your order. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.